Hello friends, we'll talk about revision techniques. This is very much important to all the students, especially when they have completed their total subject and when they have learned the subject. Unless they revise it, it won't be useful. No revision, no use of reading the subject. That is why this is very much important. Let me tell you what is revision. Revision means not reading. Reading will become reading only. Once again, if you read it, that will become rereading but not revision. How to do revision? For revision, normal revision, I'll tell you first part. Second part is quick revision just before exams. First part is normal revision, quick revision. Let's go for first normal revision. For normal revision, what you have to do is simply you have to first step is close your eyes and visualize it. You have read the subject, one topic you have read. So the same topic, just close your eyes and visualize and recollect the subject, recollect the topic. Then while recollecting, if you are unable to recollect or if you are forgetting any concept, any point, open your eyes and see the book. Once again close your eyes and visualize it. This is the first point. And the second point is that write whatever you have visualized on the paper. Whatever you have visualized, write it on the paper twice. This is the perfect way of revising. First one is that you are revising, and second thing is that you are writing what you have visualized on the paper twice. Rough notes you can keep or you can write it on paper, but write it. So it will go inside of your memory for long term. And third step, what you have to do is before going to sleep, recollect the subject, recollect the topic, what you have read it. Before sleeping, automatically your mind will retain the subject for long period. Then in the fourth step, morning when you wake up, visualize what you have read it in the night. Means within 24 hours, first time is you are visualizing, second time you are writing, before sleeping you are visualizing, morning when you wake up visualizing the same topic. 4 times within 24 hours you are doing. Apart from this, every week end, so whatever you have read for the entire week, visualize it, revise it. Then after that, every month ending, so whatever you have read, entire syllabus, just it has to go in front of your eyes and visualize everything. This is normal revision I am talking. Then after that, we'll go for the quick revision. Normal revision is for the normal days. The moment when you start your academic career and when you started attending your classes, then you have to do this normal revision. Then now coming to the quick revision, second part. Quick revision is just before exams. 1 week before exams, this is going to work out. 1 week before exams, I would advise you to not to study any new subject, any new topic, no new concept, only simply what you have read, that you have to revise. Then you will get a very good fruitful results. You can remember the subject very well. So how to do this quick revision 1 week before? For this, remember, entire subject, entire topic, it has to go in front of your eyes. Just have a glance. Don't read new subject, new topics. And 1 or 2 days before, emphasize only important topics, because 1 week before already you have read entire subject. Entire subject you have some knowledge. What is that concept and what are the main points? Everything is you have knowledge. But last 2 days, just emphasize the important points, important concepts. You know what kind of topics are asking in the exam. Same repeated questions, same repeated topics. And if you revise the syllabus, if you revise the old question papers, you will come to know those topics only take and revise it last 2 days. And rest of the topics which are not much important, that has to go in front of your eyes, one glance, fast. Wherever important, stop and read it, emphasize it, visualize it. So this is quick revision. Always remember, for doing this quick revision, what is needed is here, presence of mind is very much important. While revising, your mind is absent. Your mind is going to many places, distractions and WhatsApp and Facebook and social media. You can't revise it. So shut down all these things. Open your mind, and presence of mind is very much important. And remember one thing, You may be a night owl, means many people they study in the night time long hours. You may be a night owl, but during exams, if tomorrow exam is there, you have to sleep early, wake up early, so that you'll have presence of mind, your mind will wake up, your mind will work effectively. If you are sleeping very late and morning waking up, sufficient sleep is not there, then automatically your mind will become blunt, it will not work. Entire year you have studied, so that's not going to work out. That is why at least 1 week 10 days before, you just make a practice of sleeping early, waking up early, then automatically you'll be habituated. So this is revision techniques. What we have decided, let me give you a recap. First one is that normal revision. Second one is quick revision. For normal revision, what is needed? Whenever you study the subject, just close your eyes and visualize it. Then after that, write what you have studied in the paper. Then after that, before sleeping, you are visualizing. Before waking up, you are visualizing. Then weekly once you are visualizing, and monthly once. This is normal revision. Quick revision, 1 week before, read the entire subject. Last 2 days, only important topics like formulas and most important topics, only those topics emphasizes, make sure that you are perfect. That's it. If you do this revision technique, whatever you have studied, you'll retain in your subject, not only that period, next year and coming years also, you'll retain the subject. Once if you have a glance of that, it will be useful. So this is quick revision techniques. Hope the talk is useful. Please be in touch. In the description box, there are many study techniques videos are given. Go ahead and utilize it. Keep smiling, keep shining for the coming exams. Wish you good luck. Take care.